Okay, children. So today we'll discuss addition reactions in hydrocarbons. Addition reactions in organic chemistry. Addition reactions. What are addition reactions? Please check, children. Addition reactions. Children, addition means we have to add a molecule to the existing compound. So, children, addition reactions are possible for only unsaturated hydrocarbons. I told you long back. I hope you remember everyone. For unsaturated hydrocarbons, if you add anything, I'm writing hydrogen, it can be chlorine, it can be bromine, it can be iodine, it can be anything, children. You can add anything. If you add hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst, they will become saturated. Why? Here, in addition reaction, nickel acts as catalyst. Nickel acts as catalyst. What is a catalyst? Catalyst speeds up the rate of reaction. Speeds up rate of reaction. Catalyst speeds up rate of reaction, and it also breaks the bonds. It also breaks the bonds of unsaturated hydrocarbons. So suppose, children, if it is an alkene, if you add one hydrogen in terms of nickel catalyst, it will become alkane. Suppose if it is alkyne, you have to add two hydrogens. Or else I will give like this. If you add one hydrogen, first they will become alkenes. So alkenes, if you add one more hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst, they will become alkanes. But alkanes are saturated, alkenes and alkanes are unsaturated. So unsaturated hydrocarbons on addition in presence of nickel catalyst become saturated. Nickel catalyst will break the bond and increase the speed of reaction. And I also told that oils on hydrogenation will become fats in presence of nickel catalyst. Nickel will break the bonds. Oils are unsaturated, fats are saturated. I told you about these reactions. Okay, children, just listen, children. So some examples we'll see, children. Some examples how they will undergo addition reaction. Suppose, children, methane is not possible. Ethene is there. Ethene plus hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst gives ethane. What is the formula of ethene? C2H4 plus H2 in presence of nickel catalyst gives C2H6. Like this in your kettle. This is ethene, children. This is ethene molecule. Double bond is there. When you add hydrogen, H2 means H2. Okay? In presence of nickel catalyst, nickel will break one bond, children. Nickel will break one bond. So this carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, its own. This hydrogen and this hydrogen gets attached here. This is called addition. Means if you break one bond, it is taking two hydrogens. This is ethene. So show me with ethyne you may say. Okay, children. So for ethyne means you have to add two hydrogens in presence of nickel catalyst, then it will become ethane. What is the formula of ethane? C2H2 plus two hydrogens is called ethane. What is the formula of ethane, children? C2H6. Okay, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, in presence of nickel catalyst. Ethane looks like this. Hydrogens means hydrogen. Okay, children. This both go and gets attached here. This both and both gets attached here. In presence of what? Nickel catalyst. In presence of nickel catalyst. Children, if you are placing number, that's why I'm writing down. But you should never cross the same line. You should write, children. Okay. These are its own hydrogens. If you break one bond, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. If you break another bond, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen will come. So C2H6. So children, for alkenes, one hydrogen is added. For alkenes, two hydrogens you have to add. Like this, children. Like this. They are called addition reactions. Suppose you didn't understand. I'll show you with one more example. Children. One more example. I'll show you with propene and propane, children. I'll show you with propene and propane. See here. Propene plus H2 in presence of nickel catalyst. Propane. What is the formula of propene? C3H6 plus H2 in presence of nickel catalyst gives what? C3H6. Propene is 1, 2, 3. Anywhere double bond. Here I will give double bond. Hydrogen, hydrogen. 3 bonds over 1 bond. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Let's say, sir, instead of hydrogen, we'll add chlorine. Sir, okay, we'll add chlorine. Anything you can add. No problem. Anything you can. Okay, chlorine. In presence of nickel catalyst. Anything, children. Okay, it becomes saturated. So now one bond will break, children. Nickel will break one bond. 1, 2, 3. This are their initial. Initial they were there. Now this chlorine Cl2 means two Cls. So children, one Cl gets attached here, one Cl gets attached here because bond is broken there. So this is propene. This is called propyl chloride. Propyl chloride. No, sir, I want correct name. You can say like this also, children. Dichloropropane. Dichloropropane. Two chlorines are there. No? Still, you want means one, two, three. One comma two dichloro. One comma two dichloro. Longest chain is propane. Like this also you can mention. Okay. Okay, sir. One more example. Propine. Propine plus 1 second, children. Propine. Propine plus two hydrogens in presence of nickel catalyst gives propane. Okay, now propine means one, two, three bonds, one hydrogen, 4 bonds over, one hydrogen over, one hydrogen over. So we'll add two bromines actually. Here two bromines we'll add actually. Two bromines. Anything we can add children. Hydrogen, chlorine, bromine, anything you can add. Your wish. Okay, bromines I will add children. Bromines means like this. Bromines will be Br2, Br2. So children, when you add nickel catalyst, if you keep, they'll break the bonds. So children, I'm writing here and I'm showing these are the original hydrogens which were present earlier. Now one bromine gets attached here, one bromine gets attached here, one bromine gets attached here, one bromine. If it was hydrogen, all hydrogen. If it was chlorine, all chlorine. Name one, two, three. Okay. Anyone wants to name this compound? Anyone wants to name this compound? 1, 2, tetrabromo, tetrabromo, tetrabromo propane. Okay, no sir, just I want to put hydrogen, please show me hydrogen. Nothing will happen, children. Hydrogen, if it comes here, if hydrogen comes here, simple children, C3H8, directly, propane will give propane. Propane will give propane. Propane will give propane. That's all, propane, that's all. Okay, so because chlorides I kept C3H6 here. Because bromides I kept C3H4, C3H1 2H4, Br Br2, Br4, C3H4, Br4, like that, sir. That's all, children. Nothing is there, children. You have to one bond if you break. So, children, just I'm showing here. 1 second. See, suppose three bonds are there. If you break one bond here and here, you can add something. Okay, actually, it will be like this. Okay, if you break one bond here and here, you can add something. If you break another bond here and here also, you can add. Once all single bonds are there, over, you can't add anything. I will break this bond also, sir. Means the link is gone. It will leave as nothing will be there. So, children, addition reaction means if you have double bond or triple bond only, you can add. That's what I said in unsaturated hydrocarbons. Without double and triple bonds, all are single bonds are there. All are single bonds are there. I want to add. I want to add means how should I add? What is chance? I can only do substitution. I can remove hydrogen and I can keep substitute something. But no, I want to add, sir. Means you can't add. That's why for saturated addition reaction is not possible. It do not decolorize bromine water. For unsaturated hydrocarbons, they have double and triple bonds. We can break them and we can add something. We can break them, we can add something. We can break them, we can add something. This is addition reaction. So addition reactions. What is happening, children? Unsaturated hydrocarbons on hydrogenation or bromination or halogenation become saturated hydrocarbons. What is the industrial application? Oils on hydrogenation in presence of nickel catalyst becomes fats. Okay, children, fats or alkenes are there. Suppose on hydrogenation in presence of nickel catalyst, what they will become? Alkenes. So, no, sir, alkynes means alkynes. On hydrogenation, they will become what, children? Alkenes. One hydrogen is alkenes, two hydrogen is alkenes. Anyway, addition reactions are possible only for unsaturated. Unsaturated means what? Double or triple bond should be there. If they are saturated, addition reactions are not possible. What is the role of nickel catalyst? It speeds up the rate of reaction, it also breaks the bonds. It speeds up the rate of reaction, it also breaks the bonds. What is the role of nickel catalyst? It speeds up the reaction and rate of reaction and also helps in breaking the bonds. This is how addition reaction occurs, children. So what you people do with children? Propene. What is the formula of propene, children? C3H6 plus H2. In presence of nickel catalyst gives what? C3H8. Okay. Next, C4H8 in presence of hydrogenation. C4H10. If you don't write nickel, got you. C5H12. What is this name? Pentane. If you don't write name, waste children. Hydrogenation gives what? Children, C5H10. No, children, C5H10 will become C5H12. This is pentane. Okay, C6H12 in presence of hydrogenation, in presence of nickel catalyst. Okay, children, what you will get? C6H14. What is the name, children, here? Hexene. And what is the name of this, children? Hexane. Like that. You do for all alkenes, you do, children, and alkynes also you do, children. Alkynes. Okay, you ask one alkane you should say. Oh, C2H2 plus 2H2 in presence of nickel catalyst gives C2H6. Okay, C3H4 plus 2H2 in presence of nickel catalyst gives C3H8. Okay, C4H6 in presence of 2H2 in presence of nickel catalyst gives C4H10. Okay, this is name, children. Ethane gives ethane, propine gives propane, butane gives butane, pentane pentane, hexane hexane, heptane heptane, octane octane, nonine nonane, decane decane. Alkynes will give alkanes in terms of hydrogenation in terms of nickel catalyst. What is the role of nickel catalyst, children? It helps in breaking the bond and also speeds up the rate of reaction. Unsaturated will become saturated. Don't forget. Industrial application, important question in board exam. What is the industrial applications of addition reaction? Oils on hydrogenation becomes fats. Oils on hydrogenation becomes fats in terms of nickel catalyst. What is the use of converting oils into fats? Their smell is good, their storage capacity increases, their taste is good. But oils are better to eat than fats. I told you already in unsaturated. Always better eating oils than fats because unsaturated can be easily digested and you can absorb energy. But saturated digestion becomes very tough. In exam, if they ask you, write like that. Because all are single bond, breaking becomes difficult. In unsaturated, double and triple bonds are present, breaking becomes easy. Okay, children, these are addition reactions. Thank you. And in the question, in the description, I will keep the worksheet, children. Try to answer them and you will understand the topic, children.